As the sun rises over vast fields, a new player takes to the skies. Not a bird, but a machine. Welcome to the era of agricultural drones. Agricultural drones, equipped with advanced sensors, are revolutionizing the way farmers monitor their crops. They provide a bird's eye view, capturing detailed images that reveal crop health, soil conditions, and potential infestations. Armed with this data, farmers can make informed decisions, optimizing irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Precision agriculture becomes not just a concept but a daily practice. Some drones go beyond just monitoring. They actively participate in farming tasks, such as sowing seeds or spraying pesticides, ensuring uniformity and reducing waste. Farm mapping is another crucial application. Drones can quickly survey large areas, helping in planning crop rotations, drainage systems, and infrastructure development. And it's not just crops. Livestock farmers use drones to monitor the well-being of their animals, ensuring they are healthy, fed, and safe from potential threats. Collaboration becomes seamless. With drone data, farmers can consult with agronomists, researchers, and other experts, ensuring best practices are always followed. As the sun sets on the farm, it's clear that agricultural drones are not just tools. They're partners in progress. In the dance of technology and nature, drones are leading the way, ensuring a sustainable, productive, and prosperous future for agriculture.